people running after silence and a way to stay. Are you feeling the darkness in his face every time he goes away? Try, forget about what you have seen last night. Please think about the sign you gave me. This one can't stop sticking my head for times and times and so